What is up, guys? What is going on? Welcome back to another video with Deja. I'm standing in the bathroom because I just got back from church and I want to show you guys the outfit. I love it. At first I didn't like it, but now I just freaking love it. It is so cute. And then we have the claw clip. Oh, are you kidding me? It looks so beautiful. Anywho, I did go to Walmart yesterday or Friday. I think it was Friday. And I got some stuff that I want to show you guys. And then my mom also sent some stuff here for me. So let's go get that stuff. I am so excited, y'all. Something very exciting is about to happen. Actually, a lot of exciting things are about to happen. First, I'm going to show you what my mom got me from Amazon. She watched my video and saw that I said I forgot to order glass cleaner. So she sent me some glass cleaner wipes, which I like this very much. You don't have to spray. So, and then she also got me this bathroom set. It comes with this trash can that you can put on the counter. I don't know how I'm going to do the trash can. Okay, so we have this pink is so pretty too. It's a gray trim on it, and you know I have gray things in my room. And then we have for my soap, so we'll pour the soap up in there. And we have the toothbrush holder, so needed this because look at my toothbrushes right now. They're just all on the counter. This is my toothbrush, and then for my retainer. Yeah, that looks a heck of a lot better. I don't want nothing else on this counter though. So mom, do not buy nothing else. Church was very good today. I actually got a little emotional. It was, I don't know. I'm more the type of person who like deal with my stuff by myself alone. And I don't know, I just felt an overwhelming amount of, felt like in that moment I needed to give it all to God. And that's what we did. And I let my little tears go and I feel lighter. I feel refreshed and filled up for the week to come. And also reading your Bible throughout the week, because honestly, church is only good for so long. Like by the time Monday come, boo, I'm gonna forget what happened at church. I'm gonna need a refresher, and that's where your Bible come in. Spending time with God, worshiping on your own. Like, yes, the church is very important, but your relationship with God is also important. The fact that y'all can't see me is insane. But yes, church was really, really good. It talked about being alone, being in community, yeah, all that stuff. And it was just so touching because I am in a place where I can be considered lonely. I moved to a state all by myself. I don't know anyone here. I don't have any friends here. When I was emotional, I didn't even know that was the message of the day. That was doing worship when I was crying. Kind of worked out, I guess. That the message was kind of about being lonely. But no, I wasn't crying because I'm by myself. I more so was crying because it's just like, I don't know why I'm here. I don't know what God has for me. But I give it all to you guys. It's okay that I don't know. It's okay that sometimes it's overwhelming and I'm like, why? I mean, and I love it here, I do. But it's like, it's just like, sometimes I'm like, I couldn't do what you needed me to do in Georgia. You know, I'm called, I'm here for a reason, and God got me. Well, we got pillows. That's one thing I bought from Walmart. Got me some pillows so I can finally put these other pillows on my bed, y'all. Pillows on me bed. The next thing I have is this church journal, which I'm gonna write all my church notes in, because like I said, I wanna just kind of keep up with what they be talking about, because so far every single message has been specific to my life, and I just want to write that down so I can keep up with it, kind of like how I journal. Then I end up getting me an apple slicer so I can slice my apples. I got some tape because I had to take a Shein package back and I didn't have any tape, so I just wanted to have some tape on hand. And then I have this to put behind my bed. And then we have this bathroom trash can. And then I have my bedroom trash can. I was kind of sad because I wanted a white trash can, but they did not have a white, so we had to get this gray one. And I wanted this size, like of course they had white, but look at the size difference. Yeah, I think that's a great spot for a trash can. I just need to put a bag in there. Y'all see my bed made up? Got some, look at that, y'all. We got some more pillows. Oh, the bed is just a bed, even when there's no one. I need, y'all see the, cute, right? So I'm just, it's a kid crying outside. Let me check on it. gosh, we did everything. I just gotta wait on my grocery to get here and these packages to get here. Then we will be doing more stuff. Some exciting stuff is coming, y'all. I'm hoping very soon here. What is up, guys? I am sitting here watching some anime and I about fell asleep. I mean, not really fell asleep, but I just got so comfortable. It's because, let me tell you, I took an iron pill and it's been 2 days since I haven't took one. And when I take a break like that, when I take one again, I feel so sick. So I started to feel like nauseous and stuff like that. So I got my clothes and I was praying that these people who was bringing my grocery bring it to the right door, because I don't feel like putting no clothes on. I feel a lot better now though. But yeah, I'm just watching Death Note on Netflix and now I'm just like, let me put my grocery up because they definitely delivered it. So we gonna put them up. So a little bit later, I'm gonna go ahead and cut that chicken up, cut the pineapple up, make my meal prep, my breakfast for next week, which is gonna be muffins. So I can already just pull them out and just have them. And one more thing, cut that turkey bacon up and then make dinner. So we got a lot to do. It's 2:52 right now. I'm gonna continue watching Death Note, but listen, y'all, I know I was just talking about how I have to show y'all and not tell y'all, but it took a lot for me to get out of bed because I was just so tired. So I already, one, cooked dinner. It looks freaking amazing. It's so bright over here. Let's see. Yeah, it's some shrimp Alfredo. And then I already made my muffins for the week. We have 6 regular and 6 blueberries. So excited about that. The kitchen looks absolutely terrible, man. But I am about to eat. And then I'll come in here and tackle this. But I'm just so sorry for doing this without y'all. I promise this won't happen again. No, let me not make promises because, you know, things just happened and I really just wasn't in the mood. I just wanted to do it. I didn't want to have to think about the camera. But I do have to come and cut up this chicken, cut this bacon in half, and then put that shrimp up. Like, we just got stuff to do. At least I got some food to eat. And I'm so excited to eat it. It looks so good. And I'm still watching Death Note. I had my headphones on and I just was literally doing my task. See, that's the difference. If I was doing it with y'all, it would have been slow, but I got to have my headphones on and watch some anime. So we're gonna keep watching anime. What is up, guys? Good morning. Hi. I literally just woke up. Well, I haven't just woke up, but this is my first time talking, so it feels, you know. But I tried to film for you guys and it started off really, really well. And then I don't know what happened. Everything just started to just decline. I think I mentioned it on the video, but yeah, we did a lot of stuff yesterday off camera. I'm so sorry, guys. But like I said, I never want to like film when I'm not in a good mood because you can tell. You can definitely tell. Like, it is terrible. So wasn't in a great mood yesterday, but today we are back and ready. I'm about to make this bed up and go eat my breakfast because I do have a doctor's appointment. So I need to go. Yeah, your girl got a doctor's appointment in Texas. Y'all see the pillows? Oh yeah, we in there. We in there. I deep cleaned yesterday, which was nice. I mean, it took forever because this kitchen was terrible. I got an Amazon package coming today. Super excited about that. I'm gonna get that after my appointment. These are the original ones because, like, believe it or not, having blueberries, it's just like too much of it will get on my nerves. So I just did 6 plain ones and then 6 blueberry ones. I'm gonna use that spinach for my eggs. of done cooking. I'm super excited to eat my food. Okay, with the eggs, I don't know, maybe I had it cooked up too high because the spinach didn't do what it did yesterday with the pasta. I don't really cook with spinach that much. I was just trying to use it up, so maybe I did it too fast, I think. Maybe tomorrow I'll try to turn it down, or maybe you don't add it inside the mix. I didn't know when you're supposed to add it. Maybe I should Google that. This is my first time trying the turkey bacon from Aldi. I'm very particular about my turkey bacon. Like, I like a certain one. The eggs are still good though. Tastes a little more leafy, but not bad. Meow, meow, meow. Okay. I don't want to keep y'all bored looking at me do what? Eat. So I'll see y'all later. I think the breakfast was really good. Today's gonna be really chill when it comes to cooking because guess what? The pasta already cooked. I'm gonna have pasta for lunch and pasta for dinner, but I'm not cooking. Maybe I eat noodles for lunch. But no, I want the pasta, so I'm probably gonna eat the pasta. I'm excited. This is gonna be a good week. What's up, guys? I'm back home. Just got done working out, so I look a little, you know, not that pleasant. I've been sweating and stuff, and honestly, my quads are on fire. But look what I come with you. I come to you with packages, so I'm gonna open these packages. How cute is that? You see the colors? Let me move this. Yeah, look at the colors on it. There's a hand towel. Cute. I like it. Thank you, Mom. I'm literally exhausted because your girl stayed up all night watching Death Note. Was that a good idea? No. I don't think I went to bed till 2 o'clock in the morning because I'm almost done. I'm on episode 27 and there's 37 episodes. So yeah, y'all. This is what I was looking forward to the most. It's a table lamp and it's just to make my room have LED lights. So yesterday how I was chilling and watching Death Note, it could be a vibe. So I'm excited about this. Next we have my utensils thing for my silverware. It's just gonna go inside my drawers so I can finally have some silverware because I have been using plastic. Then, if you watched my previous video, you know I was talking about getting a paper towel holder. All right, so this is the last box. Y'all. I got my Japanese noodles because back at home, I used to go to this Asian store and I used to always get these ones, the chicken one. But in Texas, I don't go to an Asian store because I don't have a car, so I'm not able to explore like I really would like to, which is okay. But at Walmart, they only have the fried chicken one, I think it was, fried pork. It's the last one that was in my grocery haul. I'll link it here. That's the only one they have there, so I got the chicken off Amazon. This is so good. This is my silverware. I decided to go with black because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get black silver, black plates and stuff like that. I'm so happy this has finally come because, y'all, when I'm cooking, I have nowhere to sit my utensils that I'm using to cook. So I ordered a utensils holder. Ooh, I'm super excited. I'm super excited about this. This is, hold on. Silicone parts can be cut off to better fit your sink. Oh, you can cut these off. Okay, so I got this because look, hopefully this fits perfectly actually. You sit it here. Oh, where does it go? It goes this way. This, yes. And I can sit this here too. Creates a little storage thing. And I can also put a rack here. Tonight, we are young. I need to go ahead and fix this pasta because I'm hungry. I'm gonna use a spoon because I got way more spoons than I do forks because I'm a fork lover. And I measured this so this will fit perfectly. Yeah, this looks. Look at this. I have a coaster for a reason, Deja. Why are you just sitting cold stuff? But I'll see y'all guys in a bit. I don't know what I'm gonna do next at all. But I'll let y'all know. I'll let y'all know, you know I got y'all. I'm probably finna edit for the rest of the day though, honestly. That was a a good editing session. I got that whole video done. It is currently, I started around 3:30. It's 5:49 and I got the draft done and the thumbnail. So you already know what's gonna happen for the rest of the day. You already know your girl's finna clock out. I'm about to watch Death Note. I have been thinking about it all day. And I'm hoping I can finish it today.